Joining us right now are our guests on the show, David Sofair, who's a Republican strategist, and also Robin Sachdev, who's a founder, president of Image India Institute. David, I'll start with you now. The whole argument here, now the decision taken by the Trump administration means that the immigration officials can raid places like schools, hospitals, and places of worship. Now, critics argue that the rollback of these protections could erode trust in institutions meant to provide safety and support to citizens, while those in support claim that it ensures no location is used to shield individuals violating immigration laws and potentially also involving themselves in crime and criminal activities. What's your view on this?
Greetings from Washington, D.C. First of all, I would like to say that America has an immigration crisis, and that's at the border. Not just at the border, but throughout the entire country. It was what won Donald Trump his election. Also, Democrats who were registered Democrat voters now vote Republican because they have experienced firsthand the large amount of crime, the large amount of gangs and violence that have come in through illegal immigration. So it is a major problem we have here in the United States. And it's one that we have to address. I mean, it just has to be addressed. Now, in regards to schools, hospitals, and places of worship, I see that as a place where it's a slippery slope. But if you commit a crime, we are coming for you, and our tentacles are long, and we need to get this problem sorted out. It's been 89% of Americans feel that illegal immigrants should be detained and deported as well. So this is a bipartisan thing in respect to our friends, the Democrats. They have destroyed American public safety by decriminalizing crime, especially in major Democrat cities. And they've also had a border that's completely unsecure. So we have thousands of fentanyl deaths as a response. And we don't know who's who in the country, as many people have come into the country not only illegally, but with extensive and expensive criminal records. Now, when they arrive, they are being treated to free healthcare, accommodation, and cash. They're also, in Texas, the young people there were given Kamala Harris coloring books at the American taxpayer dollars expense, of course. So this sort of rhetoric and our sort of crisis that we have there, it's unprecedented, it's unbelievable, and America needs to start healing. Kamala Harris was calling ICE the men and women who risk their lives every day on the front lines. She was calling them akin to the KKK. This is not racism. This is law and order. We are the party of law and order, and just like you, we are the party of democracy. We are the second biggest democracy in the world, respectfully, after our great friends in India. And we're very proud to have had the meeting with Modi, and we look forward to strengthening our partnership. And we thank the Indian citizens who have immigrated to our country legally and contributed so many great things to the country, whether it's
Absolutely. David, we'll of course discuss that in detail, and like you pointed out, illegal immigration is an issue not just in the United States, but also in India, of course, a totally different context here.